Hi everyone, this is a UAP Euro cylinder. That's 6 pins. It's the bitting on the key, fairly aggressive. Working lock. Okay, tension's going on the pin side. I'm going to pick using a shallow hook. Light tension and touch for the most part on this. Get that in the right place, there we go. Okay, that's pin 6. Was that pin 1? So pin 2, I think. Pin 5. Pin 3. To pin 6. Pin 4, I think. Trying to get on pin 1. I do have to go up and down the stack more than once, this lock. Okay, so pin 2 or 3. Not sure what's going on with that one. Okay, that's set pin 1 now. Third time trying. Just doesn't want to set on pin 3. Must be one other pin beforehand. Oops. Lunging. Okay, that's pin 2. That little turn there, the feedback. Okay, that was pin 3 finally. There must be one more somewhere in here. Pin 2, I believe. There you go. That's it picked open. Yeah, interesting feedback from that. Possibly serrated pins in there. But yeah, good challenging pick for a beginner. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.